earn money from WhatsApp, it's so simple. You don't have to make it hard. Right now, there are lots of scam out there. Many people promise a lot and they offer little or nothing. So people are scared of giving anyone their money these days. People are scared of losing the little they have. People are scared because they have bought one particular course or the other, and then the person actually didn't offer what it promised or what they were expecting. That's why you see lots of big companies selling, and when you keep posting your wig online, buy your wig and all of that, who's listening to you? Except for the very few people that said, okay, let me give this a try. Why would you earn money on WhatsApp? Why do you think anyone should give you money on WhatsApp?
In order to make those people
So
who
people
are
that
scared to change their mind and start giving you their money, you have to prove to them that you are that Messiah that reinstills hope. You can only do this by building one thing.
trust. To earn money on WhatsApp, you have to be trusted. You have to earn trust of the people that will give you their money.
Simple things you
Why?
can do to gain trust on WhatsApp include making your profile, making yourself, especially your face, visible. These are strangers who want to get to know you for the first time. So trying to prove to this person or those people that you are real human. You don't just put the face of someone else or maybe Elon Musk or just your business flyer there, and then you want a person that hasn't seen you for the first time or haven't been following you from anywhere for long to start buying. Put your profile picture, say what your name is, explain in details what you do, if you have means of contact, and everything about your business. Go ahead, take your time and explain it. Say to yourself, how can I actually win the trust of those people? This will go a long way to help you if you want to post on your WhatsApp status or in WhatsApp groups or during after advertisement or your private chatting anyone. You have to go as far as trying to be responsible. Yeah, you have to train yourself to be responsible, to communicate correctly. Don't start a message with a yo, my guy, all those things. These are strangers you're trying to gain trust from. You have to also set your profile. You can go ahead and come to privacy setting. If you're on WhatsApp for business and you want to earn money, people should know if you are online or not. People should be able to see your profile picture. People should be able to read your about info. So just ensure that you set this to everyone. Put information you want everyone to see. Make sure that for your contacts, you set everyone that you want to see it. Then for last seen online, it's important. This profile picture is very, very important. So just ensure that you are able to meet the trust test of those newbies. Yeah, for the read last receipt, it's good to put it on. And when the moment a prospect chats you, just try and ensure that you attend to them, especially the new people. Everyone is important, but first impression matters a lot. If you want to earn money on WhatsApp, you can decide who will add you to WhatsApp groups and all of that. So if you want to earn money on WhatsApp, you can go as far as doing those little things that count. When a prospect or potential client is chatting you, you do your best to ensure you are there on time. You can go ahead and use auto reply apps. This can help you in most cases. So try all you can to ensure that you are earning this trust. Be responsible, post responsibly, add respect to your name. Yeah, if you have not set those things properly, now go set them properly, and don't just speak jargons and post trash. The posting about fightings and all of those things. Post in a way that someone that just come across you for the first time will say, wow, this guy seems responsible. Let me see how long it takes. There are people that are actually monitoring to know if you're actually genuine. So those things that will actually make someone to say this guy is genuine or not, you have to try your best to gain trust for the newbies. Let them get to trust
To do,
you.
you have to build it. Trust is built. People have to be comfortable with giving you their money. People need to know you enough. You have to be consistent with that particular thing you want to be trusted for. It is not possible to post on all your social media handles every blessed day in different things that you do without getting trust within 6 months. So you need to consistently upgrade. You need to consistently share what you do. You need to consistently tell these people that I know be hit and run. I am here for you. This is what I do. This is what I live for. This thing is what I actually do. This is what I do. I actually sell these things. This thing is not just what I post online. I post it and get cash and then I run away. So people need to trust you. In order to build this trust, you have to be consistent with whatever you are doing. You have to understand that long-time consistency is profitable than short-time intensity. So be consistent over time in marketing whatever it is you want to earn money from, and people will get to trust you. So the first time anyone pays you on WhatsApp, take it seriously. If you're using WhatsApp in your laptop or desktop or phone, any sort of phone at all, you can be generating income from it on daily basis. It takes time, it takes focus, it takes consistency to actually build this sort of people that actually get to start buying your product. When you have shown these people what you do for a long period of time consistently, and now they have been following you and have trusted this person, they have a kind of connection with you. Buying won't be your problem.
The part
Now,
3 of this video is the practical ways you can actually earn money on WhatsApp so that you can get it immediately it's ready.
hit the thumbs up, click subscribe right now, and turn on the notification bell. Yeah, do it right now.